حبيبك هتهون عليك. ارجع ارجع وقال ياللي بتسمع أي كلام يتقالك عني، عمري ما ضيع قلبك مني واعمل كده ليه؟ قولي أنا زيك فين ياللي مفيش في جمالك اتنين؟ هو احنا عشرة بس يومين؟ ده انا عايش ليه؟ انت حبيبي عارف من امتى قبل عينيا ما تيجي في عينيك، عشت سنين وانا بحلم بيك. بسأل نفسي أنا كل ما قابلك كنت إزاي عايش من قبلك؟ من قلب عليا غير قلبك، غيرك ماليش. والله يا حرام والله النوم على عيني وانت حبيبي غايب عن عيني. دي ضحكتك دي بتخليني قادر أعيش. قولي أنا زيك فين ياللي مفيش في جمالك اتنين؟ هو احنا عشرة بس يومين؟ ده أنا عايش ليه؟ انت حبيبي عارف من امتى
That's not bad. It's based over 4 weeks, 5 weeks. Very, very big contribution. Your brother. Tell me about
we're outside Pasha here. We've been chock-a-block since 9 o'clock. It's now just turned 11 o'clock. We've got a roadblock outside. Everything is going crazy. We've got a double file queue all the way inside. We're on around about 2-hour wait from the back of the queue. People are getting seated slowly, but we wasn't expecting this much.
absolutely packed. Man, I can't even get to the toilets. Queues all the way out here. Everyone's loving it. Eid Mubarak.
Boys and girls, Pasha Shisha Lounge, 6 shishas on Eid Day, just being there, loving it.
Well, I've been waiting for this day for ages since Ramadan, and it's been lived up to my expectations. It's absolutely huge, and it's not packed, and the environment and vibe is good.
I've been here before in my life, mate. I was driving past just by chance and I've seen all these people here and I just wanted to know what's going on inside. It's amazing and it's a place to be, I'm telling you.
Pasha is the place to be. It's seriously sick. It's 12 o'clock. As you can see, we're outside Edithorpe Street. It's not about Windsor Road tonight, it's about Edithorpe Street in Bradford on Leeds Road, just off Leeds Road. If you have a look, there's cars everywhere, all wanting to go into Pasha. The queue is coming outside of the door. And this is our first open for you. Absolutely amazing. What a night it is.
I'm in Pasha today with my best friend. I've been here before, but it's a new setup and today's Eid and it's really good.
It's all thanks to Noddy.
All my friends are here and I love it. Shisha's gorgeous. Shisha's gorgeous and it's very friendly environment. People are coming in enjoying themselves. So, you know, you should come to Pasha's. Anyone is thrilled.
You walk in, you see the common, you see the waterworks, it's beautiful, it's much more. It's very different to every other place. It's nice places, you know, just sit and relax. Get away from, you know, stress from other places. You know, just relax, you know, get away from family as well, and from the wife.
Sheesh is amazing. We come all the way from Manchester just to have it. Drinks are nice, service is nice, staff is friendly.
Pasha is number one.